everyone, my name is Anish and I am going to tell a story about my dream for India, Little Aryan Fish. In a small village in India, there lived a young boy named Aryan. He loved to listen to his teacher when she talked about the world and the future. One day after classes, he asked his teacher, "What do you think the India will be like when I grow up?" The teacher smiled and said, "It can be anything. We dream it too. It can be a clean, green and strong country and full of happy people." Aryan thought about this as he walked to home. He decided to start picking up the trash and planting small trees in his backyard. Over the next few months, he encouraged his friends to join him. They kept their streets clean and planted more trees. They even helped older people in his village with small tasks. One day, his teacher visited the village. She saw beautiful trees and clean green streets. She said, "Aryan, you are already keeping the India a better country," she said proudly. Aryan smiled and said, "It is my dream to be the India a better, peaceful and full of happy people. So, together we can make the dream come true." And so, Aryan's small efforts inspired many. And even a child, with a little step, everyone can make the India a reality. In the end, this short story emphasizes that even a child